So yeah, I don't need all of this. Hello people. Oh my god, I haven't filmed in so long, but it's so cool. Well, basically guys, I have a problem. Oh my god, when the lockdown started, I thought I would like save so much money. I thought, oh my god, you're not gonna hang out with people anymore, you're not gonna pay for restaurants anymore, you're just home, you're gonna be rich at the end of this. Oh boy. Amazon came in. So well, I decided that at least I'll make all of this buying and ordering productive and make a video and show you a few stuff that I think are useful or cool stuff that you can buy and use during quarantine or after. So first thing are these Fayold, yeah, the brand is Fayold glasses. It's basically glasses that you use if you're spending a lot of time in your on your computer, maybe just watching stuff or editing stuff. You can just use the glasses and it protects your eyes from the blue light. That blue light can be dangerous for your eyes, and it can also make it harder for you to sleep at night if you spend a lot of time on your computer or on your phone or on all kind of devices like this. And oh girl, they're cute. They're cute. Oh my god, even if you're not buying them for the blue light, like anyway, you got the point. They come in two pair of glasses. The second one is black. I haven't tried it yet. I don't know if it's as cute. Is it as cute? It's less cute, but it's cute too. I look smarter with these ones. It's like I'm thinking, I'm working, you know. Anyway, they're good. I tried them and it's great. I'll put, by the way, everything, every link in the description with the price of every item I'll be showing you today. So second item is this thing that I don't know how to call. I think it's supposed to be for cars, like you put it on the window of your car and ugly. You can put your phone and maybe look at your GPS or something like this. But I use it to film because it's so useful. Like when you're like in your bathroom and you put it on the mirror just to film like a makeup tutorial or something like this, it's super useful. Or even for selfies, sometimes I just need to put my phone at weird places, and during lockdown, like a lot of people are alone. So if you want to do pictures alone, this is so useful. Third thing are these sort of, I don't know how to call it. It's like socks, some socks that you wear at night. But basically, you put it just on your heel, and your heel heals. Your heel heals at night. Okay, shut up. But basically, yeah, it's for if your heels are getting, you know, harder and it's full of dead cells or things like this. Basically, when you put it here, there's a little silicone pad and it'll just make your heel really smooth, and in the morning it's like baby feet, and that's super cool. And it's not uncomfortable. I hate sleeping with socks, so I thought that this would be uncomfortable or a problem, but it's not at all. Like, I forget about it. It was even comfy. It was even like cool. Okay, now 4. Yeah, it's 4. Okay, fourth thing. I love it. Okay, I used it today for the first time. It's the, how is it called? Suction, what? Okay, you know what it is, right? It's this thing that you use to suck things out of your pores. It works with pores, with whiteheads, blackheads, and a whole lot of things. It just like cleans your skin really well, and it's really cool because it comes in with a bunch of different heads. For example, this head is for blackheads and just for like cleaning pores. There is this head for maybe if you have a sensitive skin. This one, oh, that's so cool because, okay, I'm terrified of wrinkles. It's like, it's death. I'm so scared, and I'm turning 21, and apparently when you turn 20 you start getting older. I mean, yeah, your skin and everything. So yeah, I'm terrified, and this thing, this head is supposed to help prevent wrinkles with the suction where, you know, in the sensitive areas of your face. So that's really cool. It increases blood flow also, and that's really cool. Like, I used it this morning, and I don't know if it's still visible, but my nose was completely red. It's not anymore, but it's just because I cleaned everything, and the skin is so smooth after. It's just, oh guys, I love it. So here you go, and I think it was super affordable. Like, most of the things I've been showing you are, I think, in my opinion, affordable, especially for what it's worth. So yeah, this is my new ring light from guysssss, and wait, it's really cool. It's affordable, and it comes in with a lot of things. Look, that's the ring light, and it has a little, you know, box to protect it if you're like traveling or going somewhere with it. And here's the ring light, and basically, like, it has different colors. You can have a light that is more blue and more yellow and more like it's adaptable to different kind of lighting that you have, and also there are different intensities of light, so that's pretty cool. And also it comes in with like a switch, and there is also this. You can connect this to your phone for iOS and Android, and just start taking pictures at a distance. Woo, woo. All good, all good. And that's the tripod that works with it. And if you don't even want to use it with the ring lights, you can use it with anything else, so that's super cool. I usually use it even with my camera, because yeah, it's just really stable and pretty cool. I lost the count, so I don't remember which item is this. I think 6th, something like this. Oh boy, oh boy, this is torture, but it works super well. It's an epilator from Braun. Before buying it, I watched reviews from YouTubers and things online, and they were explaining how it hurts. Like, a girl said, yeah, it's apparently as painful as getting a tattoo. And I was like, oh my god, they're all so overreacting. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna do it and it won't hurt and blah 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 blah. If only I knew. This is so... This is basically one of the most painful thing I've done in my entire life. And now you can say I'm overreacting, but I don't care. It feels like having like 100 of tiny little guy like putting needles inside of your leg, like, and like 300 needles at a time. But also the little guys, they're crazy, and so when they put the needles in, like, they don't put it straight, and so it hurts even more. It's like so torture, but basically it works super well. I used it 3 weeks ago, and my hair still hasn't grown back, and I'm like, wow, this is amazing. Like, for my legs and stuff, oh my god, I have to stop trying this. It just works super well. The only thing is that for sensitive area, it's too painful for me. Like, I tried doing my armpits with it, and it just I can't. I stopped halfway. I was like, I can't. But it comes also with how do you call this? It's like a shaver, I think. Yeah, so there are different heads. There's a shaver, and you can just replace the head to go back to the epilator, and you put it in and you start epilating, and there are 2 levels, so that's pretty cool too. So what I say is, if you have a high pain tolerance, use this. It's great. But yeah, don't cry, boys. Okay, now boys, this is one of the most useful things I bought. You're gonna tell me, how come you didn't have a blender until now? But I didn't. I'm sorry, I didn't. So I got a blender. It's from Magic Bullet, it's called, and it's great. It comes in with like a bunch of different how do you call this? Okay, it's this. A bunch of different different sizes. There's a bigger one, a smaller one, and it's really cool because you just put your things inside and then you put the head here, you turn it around. I'm not gonna turn it because it's open, and you just put it on this and it just blends everything and you have your smoothie. And boy, it's great. And now it's summer, so now it's the right time to just like take a whole bunch of fruits and mix them together, and I don't know, or do your shakes, your protein shakes, or I don't know. And there is a bunch of different like heads to close. Like there's this one. It's like, it's to drink it like you know, like you drink in a bottle. It works with a different cup than this one, but it's super cool. It works super well. Yeah, everybody should have a blender. How come I did not know this? I know it now, but everybody should have a blender. Get a blender. Okay, so I've basically shown you most things I wanted to show you. The last thing is a bonus. It's because basically I was like, yeah, now is the right time to start learning a new instrument, because I played a piano, but a piano is like really big and really expensive, and I was like, now it's not the right time to get a piano in this apartment, especially because I might move soon. And I didn't want to start with the guitar. Everybody plays the guitar, and I got a ukulele. And it just looked so cool. I started watching videos on YouTube and it looked really cool. And the thing is, I didn't know which one to get at first, so I looked a lot of reviews and stuff, and the one I got, it's super cool. Wait, ta-da! Like, I felt like a real musician and stuff. It's from the brand Donor, and it looks like that. Look! So it comes in with a bunch of things. This is a tuner, and it's really cool because it can tune also your guitar, your I don't know what, but a lot of other stuff, maybe a violin too. Like, it tunes a bunch of things, and I think that's really cool. This, it's like, it's a cord, like, I guess if you want to put it, I'm not sure where. Yeah, if you want to put it on the ukulele and just have it like hanging around, it's cute. And then it comes in with a bunch of, I don't know how we call this. Oh my god, there's a lot of things I don't know how to call. God, I have to improve my vocabulary. But these things, click, 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 click. There is like this kind of brown golden, this white one, there's a green one, and there are different sizes. This is lemon water. Drink lemon water. You have extra cords, so if you break one, like, I'm really clumsy, so I'm probably gonna break one pretty soon. You can replace it. I don't know how yet, but there are probably 100 of tutorials. That's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna gift you before I go. I didn't tune the ukulele right now, and I'm too lazy to go do it and then start the video again, so if it sounds a little weird, whatever.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes.
Only thing that I know. I swear I'm getting there. Photograph. Wait. Loving can hurt. So you can keep. So you can keep. No, but seriously, I haven't had it long. Okay, this is like my first attempt. Pocket of your ripped jeans.